Red. Is that the injured one again?
I don't even know.
Aww.
Yeah, it is. The dark one. That one.
Hi guys.
They look like little pterodactyls. Or little,
Hi everybody.
This one is right on her palm.
Sophia, the injured. Oh, that is so mean.
The injured one's right on your palm.
Look at it.
Near your wrist.
Yeah, it's got like wire wrapped around it. But I mean,
Whoa, look at those ones.
I know, aren't they cool? They look like
Little mini hawks.